Ally Bank online banking sign up. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to sign up for Ally Bank's online banking services. Ally Bank offers a range of convenient and flexible banking options, and today we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to get started. So let's dive right into it. To begin, open your preferred web browser in your device. In the search bar, type Ally Bank sign up and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official Ally Bank open an account link from the options. You'll be taken to the registration page. Here you'll need to select from various radio button options based on your preferences, such as whether you've logged in before, if you are opening an IRA account, and selecting your plan, account type, and initial deposit amount as well. Once you've made your selections and decisions, you can click on continue to proceed to the next step. The next steps include creating your account and providing your personal information, submitting your application, depositing money into your new account, and enrolling into online banking. And there you have it. That's everything you needed to know to sign up for Ally Bank's online banking services. With just few steps, you'll be on your way to enjoying the benefits of online banking with Ally. Thanks for watching.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.